Florida has a long list of invasive pest species.
So an invasive species is a non-native species, so something not from Florida that is causing harm to the state's ecology, economy, or human health and safety.
Sara Funck shares how choosing the right landscape can actually deter pests from becoming a problem.
But we certainly have some high priority species in the state like the Burmese python. If by chance you do see an invasive Burmese python in your yard, again, the FWC really encourages you to report that right away. And a biologist will coordinate what we call a rapid response to come out to your property and hand capture that animal and then take it off of your property. So one of the most effective ways to remove certain non-native lizard species is by using a live trap. Set your trap in an area that's shaded and protected from the elements. Bait it with something that the animal is attracted to. Once your trap is set and open, you have to check it every day. Call the FWC and we can assist you. One deterrent that you can set up in your landscape are a collection of CDs that are hanging from a tree. You'll want to tie some string around the CD and hang a couple different ones in different places. When the wind moves, the sun will hit the CDs and that light will deter the iguana from your yard. Another thing that a homeowner can do to protect specific plants is to wrap hardware cloth or chicken wire around plants, and that will deter iguanas from consuming the fresh flowers that are on those plants. Remember, never feed your pets outside. And if you do feed your pets outside, make sure you're cleaning up everything and bringing all of that food back into the house every day. Let the FWC know what you're seeing in your yard. You can call our 888 I've Got One hotline to report observations of non-native species. And we encourage and support the public's removal efforts as well. We want to be able to assist people in those situations when we can.